Want to improve your Android privacy and have more control over the information shared with Google? Let's check a few important settings. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap Play Protect. On the Play Protect page, look for the Settings option. Depending on your Play Store version, it may appear as a Settings button or inside the available menu. Here, make sure Scan Apps with Play Protect is turned on. This helps protect your phone from harmful apps, so it's recommended to keep it enabled. If you see Improve Harmful App Detection, you can turn it off if you don't want Play Protect to automatically send unknown apps to Google for analysis. This setting mainly applies to apps installed from sources outside the Play Store. Next, let's make sure your Google Play Store is up to date. Tap your profile picture again, then go to Settings and tap About. Under Play Store version, tap Update Play Store. If you're already using the latest version, you'll see a message telling you that the Play Store is up to date. Now go back to Settings and tap General. If you see App Install Optimization, you can review this option and turn it off if you don't want to participate in this feature. Keep in mind that this setting may not be available on every device. Finally, open your phone's settings and search for Usage and Diagnostics. Open it and review the available option. If you don't want to send device usage and diagnostic information to Google, you can turn this setting off. And that's it. You've now reviewed some of the main Google Play Store and Android privacy settings that can give you more control over your device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.